Hey, yes, Suffering Student here, and today we're going to be talking about my Video Ideas Note-Taking Application project. So at this point I have what I would like to call an MVP, a minimal viable product, which means I have a working product that showcases the minimal viable parts of the program and therefore shows a pretty good picture of how the program works. So let me first give you a demonstration and we might talk a bit about more what to do next, or what I'm going to be doing next at least. So previously I was able to preload some kind of document inside a resource folder inside my program, but I now added a new file button, which allows me to actually use this for my project now, because now when I want to add or use some kind of file, so I created this new file button, which allows me to open a given file which use specifications I chose using my CSV file, comma separated values, and this allows me, so here I have my topics, for example, I have UML, which in this case just have one example. Then I would be able to, in this case, save it if I made changes, or I would just be able to remove any given idea, or I would be able to add it, for example, to today's work. So let's try doing it. So let's say I wanted to work on this today, I can add it. Today's work is removed from the UML list. I could then go inside today's work and we have it right here. And I might write some notes, whatever, there's just like a notepad thingy where I can add some notes, and then I can either say like not today and it is put back to my UML, or let's just create a new example. So let's create another UML test, add video idea, it's added here, I can today's work, and I can go complete it. And it's, for now, it's just completely removed from the system, and I might actually make like a backup system where I save all the files that's been completed, but for now it's just removed from the system. And in case I want to like add stuff, maybe add like a new topic, let's create a test topic, which is then added to my topics test, and I can then remove it again if I want. But to remove it, I added quite a few like security measures. So first of all, I need to click this button, I need to click delete topic, and I get this confirmation asking delete test topic, and yes, just to make sure I don't, because right now if I delete a topic, all the information inside the topics, so for example, all these, I don't have one, like different ideas would be removed as well. But otherwise, this is the basic loop of the ideas. Having a list with different topics, being able to choose between different topics, having different ideas, which I can then remove or add to today's work. Today's work, I can just put them back or complete them. And then very simply just add a new topic, or choose a topic and add a video idea to that topic, or delete the topics. So this is the simple workflow of how my program works, and I actually quite like it, and I've already been using it for quite a few days, and I actually think it's quite interesting, and I like it. I like it. I definitely like it. That's definitely my conclusion. So that's the showcase of my MVP, minimal viable product, of my video idea note-taking application. I hope you enjoyed this small demonstration of my prototype. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.